Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create beauty and lifestyle videos. So welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this very easy burgundy eyes. And if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to blend that all well. This is the shade that I bought from LA Girl and it didn't match my skin tone, so I use it as a primer for eyeshadow looks. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to set that all in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette and the color called Beats Me. It's a beautiful burgundy shade. It's beautiful. It's like the shade of a beetroot. So I'm going to apply that product all over my lid first. So I'm placing the product and then blending it. So I'm going to go over it again and again till I'm happy with the way it looks like. So I'm happy with the way this looks like. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend that all well, the edges, because I'm not going to use a transition shade here. So I want that same burgundy shade to be diffused or blended well at the outer corners. And once I'm done with this, I'm going to go over and place the shadow again because it looks much more lighter now. So I'm going to go over that again. Next, for this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette and the shade called Pebble on a small flat brush, and I'm going to apply that black shade only on the outer corner slightly for adding some depth. So I'm placing the product in the shape of a V, and I'm blending that all well because I just wanted some depth here. And next I'm going to go in with Ingloss gel liner in number 77, and I'm going to create a liner, just a simple liner, no wing, nothing. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go work on my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. Nothing too fancy, you know, I like simple brows. And I'm going to cover my under eye dark circles with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige and Maybelline's Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to blend that well and set it with some setting powder. I'm going to use a shade called Lollipop from that same palette, and I'm going to go over with that liner. I just wanted to, you know, suddenly I thought I don't want a simple liner, I just want something else. So I'm going to go over with that shade, and then I'm going to go with some glitter gel by Colourpop, and I'm going to place that all over that liner for that sparkle. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Color Alcohol on my upper waterline, and for my low waterline I'm going to use Nika's K liner in Royal Purple. And then I'm going to work on my lower lash line. I'm going to smoke it out with the same color as I did on the upper lash line as well. Next, I will be using the Balm's Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight as well. I just love this product, I just love it. And next I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply loads of Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. This is my favorite mascara at all times now. I love how my lashes look elongated and nice. And this is the final look, you guys. As I said, this is a very easy eye makeup look, guys, so do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if you love this eye makeup look. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification, and please guys, share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Shimmers and Polishes. There are many more easy eye makeup tutorials on my channel, guys, so please check them out. And there are other videos like DIY videos, some nail art videos, some crocheting videos as well. So guys, please show some love by hitting that subscribe button, and until next time, y'all take care. Bye bye.